Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently, upon my many hours spent on TikTok during lockdown, I stumbled across a girl who painted a cow print pattern on her door. Thought it looked awesome, so I wanted to do the same. I initially penciled out the pattern I wanted and then found this paint in the garage. The lid was in fact rusted to the can and it was very gloopy, but I thought I'd use it anyway, and upon experimenting with it, it did separate a lot, so I had to keep going in different layers with it. However, it kind of ended up fairly alright. It did run a fair bit, but I managed just to keep working in with it. So here I thought it would be quicker to start doing outlines and then working in with paint, but I kind of just go in and out of using that technique. I just want to take this time to say I'm very sorry for my absence on YouTube at the moment. I was very ill, however I've started to recover a lot more now, so I've got a lot of ideas coming up. I'm very excited with making some stuff throughout the rest of quarantine. So yeah, this is just how it looks about halfway through doing it. I did paint this door over the spread of about the course of a week. If you follow my Instagram, you would have kept seeing updates. I have since filming this been painting a mirror. I've currently painted the frame white, and I think I'll probably go in with the cow print again, which will be an upcoming video. How I keep managing to get my mum's approval of me doing these DIYs, I really don't know, because this is the back of my bedroom door in my family home and the mirror is from the garage. But anyway, here is the overall look. I hope you enjoyed watching this mini DIY. And if you have any other ideas for future DIYs, I'd love to hear them and potentially do them. But yes, thank you for watching and thank you all for your support. Take care of yourselves throughout the rest of what's going on. And yeah, see you soon. Bye bye.